If your Galaxy Watch Ultra has low battery and you have no way to charge it, we're going to show you how you can turn on watch only mode to save battery. But if this mode was accidentally enabled, we're going to show you how to get rid of it and disable it. To quickly turn on watch only mode, swipe down your watch face, go to settings, scroll down and enter battery. Scroll down once again until you see watch only mode. Tap on it, scroll down, and then tap on turn on. In a moment, your watch will straight go to watch only mode. Now this is an extreme level battery saving mode, so all the other functions including AOD will be turned off if you're wondering. When you're in this mode, if you just press this power button, with a vibration this digital clock will show up and will go away after a few seconds. To turn off and exit watch only mode, simply long press on the power button till you see the Samsung logo. Or you can connect your watch to a charger. In both cases, your watch will restore into normal mode. And that's how you can turn on and off watch only mode on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thanks for watching.